and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing an unboxing video of sensory toys and fidget toys. So let's get into the video. I'm very excited to do this because when I ordered those I was just like, I can't wait until they come. So let's get into it. So I'm gonna open the package now. And I ordered the package yesterday and it came today, so it came very fast, I have to say. So that was good. Oh, oh, fancy. Oh my god, that's so cute. Oh my god, yes. Here's the thing that I ordered. And on this it says, thanks for your order. We are very happy that you choose to shop by ABC Toys. We hope that you are satisfied with your things. If it should be something that doesn't work or is wrong or that you wonder about, please call this number or email this email address. We are very keen about all our customers. Should be satisfied. Kind regards. Oh. And then there are a backside with like things that you can buy from them. This is a toy store, but since I bought sensory stuff, I choose a toy store. So yeah, because it's Sweden and I couldn't get them anywhere else. So yeah. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm gonna show you. The package looks like this and it's wrapped. The box was like this and everything is like wrapped. So that was something new, I have to say. So yeah, let's get into it. So the first is the Tangle Crush series. So this is the I don't know what this was called, but it's the Tangle Crush series, and then it was Tangle Fire. Tangle Frozen, I think. Tangle Galaxy. Gotchi Twist and Block. Non-toxic play foam. And know this is. Could be a tangle. Ew, it's pink. Yeah. Zero Tangle. Work with Tangle Creation. This is a rabbit. And Zero Tangle Flamingo. Zero Pets. And this is and this is Tangle Crush also, and this is also the Tangle Crush series Rainbow. So I bought all the Tangles from the Tangle Crush series, and there are a total of 6. And then I bought these 2 Tangles, Tangle Pets. And then I bought this Twist and Block and this Play Foam. So in total I bought 8 Tangles. And then I got this coloring paper to paint. So it's very cute. I'm gonna paint that. So I don't know, let's open maybe this first. And if the company is watching this video, then make sure to sponsor me with more Tangles, because I love Tangles. That's why I ordered 8. So yeah, please sponsor me. Or please sponsor me with something else, because I love painting, and yeah, I love everything that involves like painting and crafts and so. So this is the Twist and Block, and it was in rainbow colors. That's mostly why I bought it, also because it's cool. So yeah, you just like, yeah, it's nice. So yeah, that was a Twist and Block. And I'm thinking I'm gonna open this later. I need to get a tray first. So let's open all the Tangles. Where did I put my scissor? I put my scissor here. So let's open some Tangles. I'm first gonna take a picture actually. Okay, so let's start with the Tangled Zero Pets. Because they are only 2 in the series, or there are more animals, but I only got 2. So I got 2. So let's open them up. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to cut. There are 6 pets to collect and connect, but I got 2 pets because that would be a lot of expensive otherwise. So it looks like this. Oh. Yeah, it looks like this, and it's a flamingo. It is a little bit blue and has this kind of texture feel here. Yeah, it's a flamingo, it's cute. And the next one is a rabbit, pink, Has this, the rabbit looks like this, then it has this texture up here, then it's pink, then it's clear, texture, pink, clear. So yeah, it's nice. Next tangle is, the next 6 tangles are all from the Crush series, and I got all the tangles from the Crush series. So the first one is the pink one, and now I can't remember what it's called. It had a name. Some I remember and some I don't, so yeah. But it's the pink one, and it looks like this. It's pink and it has this texture on. And then it's clear and has this texture. So yeah, that's very nice. It feels nice. But I think that all the tangles feels nice, so I like this one. The next tangle is the Frozen, the blue one. It was called Frozen. So let's open it up. Yeah, it's the Crush series, so it's Frozen, white, blue, another kind of blue. Yeah, and it's non-texture on it, I see now, so it's no texture like the other 3, so it's just clear, no texture on it. So yeah, but that's nice too. Oh, yeah, you can separate the tangles, like with every other tangles, and connect them. I'm gonna show you later. The next tangle is the Fire Tangle. It is orange. It's also no texture on it, so it looks like this, and no texture, like a little bit of metallic here, I would say, and then clear and a little bit of metallic look. It's very nice in the hand, actually. Yeah, that's nice. The next tangle is the first tangle that I saw when I looked at the Crush series, this green with this kind of texture on it, that is like bubbles or something. So I'm very excited for this one. Yeah, that's nice. Yeah, so it's this. It looks like this, clear and textured. So that's nice. And the next tangle is the one that was called Galaxy, I think. So it's purple, I think, or maybe it's dark blue, but it looks kind of purple to me. I don't know really. Oh. Yeah, oopsie. Yeah, it's purple glittery. So very pretty color, I must say, very pretty. Yeah, it's the Galaxy now. I understand why I said Galaxy. It looks very, very, very Galaxy-like. Yeah, it's pretty. It's pretty. And it's also clear, so no texture on that. And the next one, the next one, but the last one, I'm really excited because it is a tangle rainbow. So yeah, I love rainbows, so it's very pretty. It's gonna be very, very pretty. I can feel it. Oh my god, yeah. Yeah, so it's in the rainbow colors, and it has a little bit of glitter, and it looks like this, and it's a clear one also, so it's clear. So it's very pretty. I like this one a lot. Like, I love the colors on it because it's rainbow. So yeah, this is maybe my favorite because of the colors, not the texture. The favorite texture is, I have a ginger fuzzy one, and that is my favorite, I would say. But I like this because of the colors, and it's very, very, very soft in the hand also. like the other clear. So yeah, I like this a lot. So that was all the tangles that I bought. So let's see. So I got 4 textured different tangles, and then I got 4 different clear tangles. So that was just a coincidence. That was just a coincidence, like I didn't do it on purpose at all. And then I got this twist and lock block from Goki, I think it was called. And then I got this play foam. I haven't opened it, so let's open it. And see how it feels. Oh my god! That feels so weird. That's weird. Yeah, I definitely like need like I'm scared that I'm gonna lose all of it, like on the floor or something. So I'm gonna put this here and I'm gonna go and get a tray or something. So I'm back and I got this little plastic lock. I'm gonna get a bigger one later, but I only have that just now. So let's see. So what are you supposed to do really? It's like it comes apart and it's little balls or something. Yeah, it's play foam. It's not at all that I thought it was gonna be like on picture. Yeah, it's definitely like a lot harder than I thought it would be. So yeah, it's kind of nice, but yeah, it's kind of nice, but like if you have animals, then make sure to not like leave anything or drop anything on the floor so they don't eat it. So that's kind of my biggest concern, I would say. But otherwise it's quite nice actually, but it's not like I pictured it. I don't know what I pictured, but it's quite nice. But it's like nothing you would like take up on a train or something. So it has to be at home, I would say. It is actually quite nice, like just sitting like this and pressing it. Yeah, that is actually quite nice. In the video I saw people doing like hearts and stuff, so I'm gonna try and do like a heart. It's my attempted heart. Yeah, it looks okay, I think. So yeah, that's my heart from play. So that was everything for me today. If you have enjoyed this video, then make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos, and have a great day.